Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create a QR generator using Python. With this QR generator we can scan using a camera and it will display the message or link whichever we want to display it. So let's get started. So in this video let's start off with importing a library. It's Segno. Segno will help us to create the QR generator. So QR generator is equal to Segno dot make QR, and here we'll enter whatever we want to publish. We can enter hello world, or we can enter the URL. Let's say https and wikihow, then main page, QR generator.save, and here we can give the file name. Just giving the file name is like QR code .png. So if I generate this up, you can see one file has got created over here. Is a QR code .png. I can change the scale of this QR code by giving scale .5. Generate the code. You can see that the QR code has become larger. You can give a border. To further change the style, it will add a border to the QR code. Run the program. You can see it's further added a border. And here I can give a light function, which is adding color to the QR code. So let's give 100 100 100, and you can see the color of the QR generator has got changed. So this way we can create a QR generator. We can try different combinations, like say scale 15, border 20, color code 200. So you can see the QR code has got increased further, color combination has got changed. When you scan it, you will get the link or the text whatever you have given in the QR code. So once you bring your camera to the QR code, you will see the WikiHow homepage.